I serve a God who never changes. You don't need to link nobody. He's the greater one.
Mommy, but you pray for me every day, man.
No. But this is why.
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What do them? Think of chattings? Bang, bang, boom!
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the Priceless.
And you don't see a king, no?
Yes, guys. So from you see by the title, you know what video you know get a Obeah man prank. And
talk
guys,
truth, people. Talk truth.
Well, and them I'm let you know in
talk
so,
truth.
You see, King Mother, she's a very Christian lady. When we say very Christian lady, I don't mean like go church and all of that. Just take our Christianity
really Christian.
serious. So I know say this video I got epic. Yeah, guys, and
she go to walk left,
yeah,
guys.
that was just like I said. I'm not surprised if she does say one little thing to him and walk away because she not put up with certain foolishness, especially where God is concerned. You feel me?
So guys, this I got EPIC epic.
Yes, guys, and drop it down in the comment section if you want to see us do any videos. And we love the support that we're getting from you guys. We are interact with you back in the comment section and we like it. Like up the video, them guys. Get us to 1K, 2K, 3K, 4K. Keep the case coming.
All them to share the video. Guys. Share the video. That one I got epic. EPIC. Epic.
And don't forget to click that like button. If you're new here, welcome to the squad. What we think, guys? We are think about it. We are think about a name we can call you know, with subscribers, right? So drop it down below.
Guys, natural mango juice, courtesy of Ali. Talk to strong back. You know what I'm going later though. But wait till after the prank.
Let's not get into that. Anyways, guys, yeah, give us a names that we can call you. Where you know and big gang squad. Make you know. AC.
Bang bang boom! Tell us that good enough.
No, we want a name. If you don't want a name, AK squad or AK gang, whichever way. You feel me?
Yeah, that sounds good. AK gang.
Alright then. Drop it down in the comment section if you don't like it and then
the AK.
Let's not get there. Anyways, guys, yeah.
AK gang. So you must say AK gang.
Alright then, we'll work with that.
Watch the video.
Yes,
Watch
guys.
the video to the end. Like, share, subscribe. Share out the video them. Send it all over the world. Yeah, guys, right now we are out. Soon be back.
We're so forward. Alright, guys, watch you know. How we get Miss B for come on camera, King Mother. Yeah, cause she met the time them. We tell her say we want she for come and come. You know, talk about the time them and so, but you know say while talking and stuff. Copyright thing go on, cause you don't know what the music something they go. But we just have the last part where him kinda close out the talking with her and jump right into the pranks.
Come off of the camera for a bit. Talk to my mother off the ear because there's something I want to say to her and right now I talk on the camera just flicking on my mind but this can't disclose on camera. So guys, we are out. Until next time, bang bang boom! Yeah, check the time lady guys. Link card. Can't regret it. Never feel. She make all bag to, belt, anything you want. It's there. If you have a drink card, get a special. Move it, popcorn style. You don't know caramel. Boom bang bang. So far. Alright, no matter. On a real level. You're more set to you now, see? You're proud of me, right? Yeah. Because from where you from, you know, so from this morning, I have been a little rage and a little vibes.
You know, so I don't like that.
I know you don't like the vibe, see? Sorry. But here what I say differently. Here what I say differently. I try hard and I do everything what I can. And I know you see that. I start my own thing. As in my company where I used to work with now going good, so I have to start my own thing and it not so it not kick up like how it feel going because we know see a COVID and we understand that. You see me? Understand no one jump out no one then because I don't know we do local functions and we have a thing with ball rolling and where we go up on my place for a little meeting again and it's the next long all out again. So right now I prefer go full time in my team. You understand? But there's a if. And right now, mommy, on a big man level. You see one thing I advertise on the TV is named astrologer. Some astrologer thing. You see what I say? I'm a priest and I want to give them a link. mean on
good
it.
things you mentioned it.
That's a good thing I mention it here.
Yeah, man.
So, mommy, but me did a plan it, but this better than me go down a poor man corner down a St. Thomas calling the Obeah woman.
There's no way around it. It's wrong. You're entertaining spirits. And I tried to tell him this one. A good thing you mentioned it. You'll entertain spirits, brethren, and your life might look like it up, and then all of a sudden it's down.
So, wait, alright, what you prefer then? Ask you a simple question. Make it and break it. I'm going to break it down. You prefer me go in the astrologer, or you prefer me go in the Obeah man with the vastness in his beard?
You don't need that. You don't. I serve a God who is faithful.
Me know
I
you're
serve
God.
a God who never changes. You don't need to link nobody. He's the greatest.
Mommy, but you pray for me every day, man.
No. But this is why the enemies come. Why you think that things happen? Because the enemy see and know where you're in for. And he's going to try to put obstacles in your way. But you are going to be the bigger man and to know, say, boy, I'm not going to do that, you know. I'm not going to allow the enemy to win.
Mommy.
Brethren,
Mommy.
we're there apart how long. And we could have do certain things. But that's not right. Not pleasing to God. And if you do that, you're going to contaminate all of the place. No, brethren. I tell you that.
No, I contaminate the place. I watch this now.
Brethren.
I'm alone I go in the Obeah man.
No, you're going to entertain spirits. Spirits going to catch them. Why would you want to do that? I don't go that way. Don't even think of it.
Mommy, where you go? Where you go? Let's go and build.
Don't bring them something to the lady, I know that too.
Mommy.
But tell him so that wasn't a good idea, you know. I tell him.
Wrong. From the pit of hell. You make the devil smile and say, watch him, I get you.
Mommy, how the devil smile and I do my thing?
No, I know your thing. You do his will.
His will? Mommy,
yes.
the devil, God killed the devil long time.
The devil not dead. He's still
I will resurrect him.
Like a roaring lion. When, let me tell you what I want. You see, when you never did know. You see, when time, him tempt the Lord and all of them, something that happened, and him throw him out of heaven, him kick him out, and him come down on earth to devour.
So him come Adam and Eve and try something there.
And you see, when time God kick him out, a case on the earth. Yes, you know, the whole world gone back. Black and everything, and that's why God therefore say, let there be light and draw back light in the place. Yeah.
So
Things
true.
Brethren, and I know that brethren there, slow foot me call him. Yeah.
Anyway, still, mommy, on a big man level still. I watch you pray for me, I watch you anoint my head with oil, I watch you do everything what me know about. I hear you talk about me a man of valor, me a this, me a that, and but at the end of the day, mommy, I just that's the only thing me not trying in the book yet, you know. And the only thing that me not trying in the book yet.
Let me tell you, see like over there now, it said that if we confess our sins, he's faithful and he's just to cleanse us from all unrighteousness. If you totally commit your heart to the Lord, watch him work, it will overtake you. Yes, man.
So true.
All you need to do is just say, brethren, boy, you know some I'm going to folly, I'm not like how me.
No, I'm not going to folly, I'm not like said.
Folly, no, yeah.
No, the folly, me I talk biblical folly.
God folly.
Me not talk about folly like on a stink, swim away.
Okay, okay. Just want to make it clear. Just make it clear.
Yes, you just say, look at brethren. Me just need
need God full time.
Me can't deal with my life. Things not go on. Nothing not go on for me. Me there in a lowly bar. And I want you to check me like how David is going to send him men down a lowly bar and take out the little boy out of lowly boy, Saul's grandson out of lowly bar, and make him seated at the king's table, feasting at the king's table. And tell you, as long as you separate you and this, you know, I eat this, I can't do nothing more. So me I go watch you because you tell me, your word tell me say if me call then you are going to answer and you're going to show me great and mighty things which me can't even fathom. So brethren, go on with it. See me and take me. Just as I am.
Come as you are, them say no.
But watch this now. I say younger youth than me a drive Benz. Live a cherry yard upon the hill.
That is just the temptation.
You ever think how they get it?
That I always I tell him.
You know how they
My mother always I say if night could have turned day, you would have see some things where people do.
I know one youth always tell me say wash off with blue, wash off the saltness. But I don't want to wash off with blue, I want to go to the source.
That is not the source. God are the source.
Exactly. Tell him again.
God are the source. Sweet source.
Mm.
A camouflage them there.
Exactly.
Yes,
You call that spirit of divination.
we can bridge in that time about one woman up a poor man's corner and St. Thomas. And I said, never get it.
You hear it near poor man car?
Exactly. Pour you down and broke you down. No.
Up down corner.
Mm.
You're not going to reach nowhere. And them want your money.
And then you go constantly go back.
And because nothing you go back. And then further down the road, you forget change.
No. Remember the lane where him come from, poor man's corner. Start ring back now.
And then you find St. Thomas.
Mm-hmm.
Because all them place there.
The St. Thomas poor man's corner. Them.
And then you find Elizabeth, St. Elizabeth.
Maybe a St. Elizabeth too. So which part better?
There's no better.
Hey, you need to bring him to church.
No, this boy grew up in a church.
No, he need to go back. He need to go back.
At the point I never get to right now, the point I never get to because I grew in a church. You understand? And unfortunately, it just never work in my favor.
You never make it work. You step out. I saw it when you step out. You remember the little boy when he did want everything. He tell his father, say, give me all what you have for me now. Me I go find life for myself and go there. Remind me of this morning. When we go out there on my own.
So that moment?
When we go out there on my own. And he go out there on my own and things are swing and he find out with a friend. And
That
he
one,
go on and
yeah.
everything, a party and all of that.
That sounds good.
And then after that, the
Come to the realization.
the money done.
I never go spend half my money.
Everything.
I fool him fool.
Yes, and there. Everything done. And can you imagine? Now we must go back. No matter that's a back shit out the alcohol.
Hold on. The box who?
Shit out the alcohol. Because we must start here and the alcohol.
And then you go back lower than where you were coming from.
And when you realize that, look here, Lord, God, I want this now.
Sadness just attack me.
My father want everything. Look at me. Watch out. And you say, no, something. Yeah, home.
Go home. No, we're no better than home.
And my father said, look here, Daddy, I know I mess up, you know. So if you want me to work for you, me do that.
Exactly.
But you see the love what the father had for you.
Gone.
Change everything. Him said, brethren, you're not have to walk. Find this ring. Bring the ring, come. Find the prettiest
One
coat
story in
and
the
just-
Bible
and
we
just
go so too, you
dress
know.
him up and just sort him out.
Story in the Bible we go so. I don't remember where it there.
The prodigal son.
Yeah.
Anyway, mother. So you really feel like saying, I go up with a God over man?
Me never bring up so me never expect it. But you have chat it.
You just get pranked, yeah?
No, sir, no prank.
See video you will be a record. See video you will be a record over here. So watch ya. Yes, guys.
The next camera there.
Ah, you get pranked. You see that, guys? Me telling you, it's a very spiritual
So
lady.
guys, that one is epic. E-P-I-C. Epic. Just get pranked.
How you feel? Try your face.
You have a wonderful day, man. You can have a wonderful day.
Close out the video with you now.
So, guys, I'm going to leave you now with a bang. And as I'm telling you, support the Tam.
Yes, guys, check it out.
Lady. You know the strips. The number and everything will be in the description. If you're a drinker, get a special. If you show style popcorn vibes, you know caramel. Yeah, you know we roll. Bang, bang, boom.
We're out.
We're out.